Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Patrick here from All Things Mathematics, and moving on to the next example on the test. Another thinking question. Here we have to find this limit. The limit as x approaches a of x to the power of 1 over 3 minus a to the power of 1 over 3 all over x minus a. So this is a pretty unique limit, kind of a tricky one. And it's not too bad. It's just at the beginning, recognizing what to do may be a little bit difficult. Now, first thing, notice that we can't do a direct substitution, right? That's always the first thing we check. If we plug in a for all the x's, we'll have a to the power 1 over 3 minus a to the power 1 over 3, which would give us 0, and then a minus a, which would also give us 0. So it's going to be in that indeterminate form. So how can we maybe relate these exponents, these 1 over 3 exponents, with this x minus a? Well, what we can do is we can actually take this x minus a and we can rewrite it as x to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 3 minus a to the power of 1 over 3 to the power of 3, right? Because this is like x to the 1 minus a to the 1. And then notice that 1 over 3 times 3 gives us that 1, right? So both of these expressions, they're the exact same thing. I'm just changing the format for them. So you could recognize here that we're going to be dealing with a difference of cubes, right? And if you remember, the difference of cubes formula is basically if you have m cubed minus n cubed, that's going to equal m minus n, m squared plus mn plus n squared. So in this case, the m is like the x to the power of 1 over 3, and the n is the a to the power of 1 over 3, right? And so if we apply this formula on these two values, m minus n, right? So that would just be x to the power 1 over 3 minus a to the power 1 over 3. That's going to be the first bracket. And notice that that's the same expression as the numerator. So that's where that cancellation is going to come in, right? That's why I rewrote it like this, so I could relate it to the exponents in the numerator. So that's going to be this first bracket. That's going to be the m minus n. And then we're going to have m squared. So it's going to be like x to the power of 1 over 3 squared plus m times n, so x to the power of 1 over 3 times a to the power 1 over 3 plus n squared. The n value is a to the power 1 over 3, and then that's going to be squared like that, and then we're going to close the bracket. Okay, so basically this numerator, or this denominator here, x minus a, is equal to this difference of cubes right there, right? That difference of cubes, that factor difference of cubes is equal to x minus a. And so we can now bring that in here, so we can rewrite our limit as the limit as x approaches a of, keeping the numerator the same, x to the power 1 over 3 minus a to the power 1 over 3 all over basically this entire expression. So that first bracket, x to the power 1 over 3 minus a to the power 1 over 3. And then I'm going to actually simplify this. So this 1 over 3 times 2, that's just going to be x to the power 2 over 3 plus, this we can't really simplify because they're different bases, so let's keep them separate for now. X to the power 1 over 3, a to the power 1 over 3, and then this is going to be a to the power of 2 over 3. Like that. And then from here, like I said, notice that this term and this term cancel out. And so what are we going to be left with? We're going to be left with the limit as x approaches a of 1. There's just going to be a 1 left in the numerator all over this entire bracket. X to the power 2 over 3 plus x to the 1 over 3, a to the power 1 over 3 plus a to the power of 2 over 3. And so from here, now what we can do is plug in that x value of a for all the remaining x values, right? Because our denominator is no longer going to end up being 0 if we do that substitution. So plugging in a for this x value, we would end up with 1 over a to the power of 2 over 3 plus a to the power 1 over 3 times a to the power 1 over 3 right here, plus a to the power of 2 over 3. Now these two expressions here, let's continue this over here. These two are multiplying with the same base, so we could add the exponents. So we'd end up with 1 over a to the power 2 over 3 plus a to the power 2 over 3 plus a to the power 2 over 3. And then notice that these are like terms, right? So we could just add those coefficients in front, which are just 1s there. So 1 over 3a to the power of 2 over 3. That ends up being the final answer for this limit. Okay, so again, the algebra is not too bad. It's just kind of recognizing what to do, recognizing that this x minus a, we can rewrite that as a difference of cubes like this in order to cancel out those expressions, and then you can do your direct substitution. And that's a wrap for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos like this, please go to my website, allthingsmathematics.com. Over there, all of the videos are organized by chapter, by section. If you feel like you need tutoring at any point, you could also hit me up. My contact details are on the website. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.